In this video, I will taught you about what is a dirty data types in Tableau. Like when we deal in Tableau, we deal with different data types, and there are chances when Tableau does not pick up the right data type of the particular column. So there are different cases for that. So this happens because of the dirty data type sometimes. So there are 4-5 types of dirty data type. First is invalid values, as you can see on the screen. So invalid value like negative value in a age, which is a completely invalid value. Incorrect values like an any outdated information. Let's say uh, if we have an example of the students currently in class 12th and their age is beyond 1989, so before 1989, so that is a outdated information. Then inconsistent data, like if we have a day column for example, and it include different formats of the day, like this Monday with capital Monday, with small Monday MON, and then small m. So this is an inconsistent data. Then inconsistent data type, this is an inconsistent data, but inconsistent data type is where we have the both like numerical value and alphabetical value or text value for the same one. These are just an example. There could be many other scenarios, but these are the kind of data types or dirty data types we deal with. Then duplicated values, like multiple voters for the same person. If we have a same person voting for a same person multiple time, or something like missing or incomplete value, that is very common. The first name in the full name field is missing. So this is a uh, I assume a normal. So this is all dirty data types we deal with in Tableau or any other data sets when we work alone. So keep your eyes on these data types and be vigilant. Thank you. Do like, subscribe, and share.